What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Faith. You can follow me on my Instagram account, FaithyOch, and also you can subscribe to our channel, FaithyOch, and click on the notification bell so you can stay updated with the latest vlogs. Welcome back to the channel. Yesterday was Pat's birthday, 37th birthday. So I decided to make an easy, no-bake cheesecake. And itong recipe na to, I usually make it as a mousse cake or a cream cake, and I sell it on my Katie Cakes by Faith Instagram account. If you can check it out, please do. I sell it and I call it as Dalgoreo. It's a cross between Dalgoreo, the coffee, and Oreo. So ngayon, ginawa ko siyang cheesecake, no-bake cheesecake recipe. So this is the first time I'm doing it and I want to share it with you. So please, let's get to it. Okay, let's start with the crust. I use 1 1/4 cup of crushed biscuits or graham. You can use animal crackers. I use this one because I have a lot. And also 1/4 cup of white sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Give it a mix and add in your 1/4 cup of melted butter. When it appears like so, it's good to go. Transfer it to your springform pan. I'm using an 8-inch springform pan. Now the bottom part of the ladle, or any spoon or glass or jar, use it to flatten out the crust. Ayan, even and compact na siya, it's time to chill. Now for the filling, let's use 1 bar of cream cheese, dapat room temperature. And also all-purpose cream, condensed milk, crushed Oreo cookies, instant coffee, 2 to 3 teaspoons, and then cocoa powder. And then 2 teaspoons of gelatin powder, dissolve natin sa 4 teaspoons of hot water, then set it aside. This will help form your cream cheese, your cheesecake. So I usually just cream the cream cheese sa separate bowl. And then for the all-purpose cream, you should use chilled na all-purpose cream. And then add in your cream cheese and just mix it. It needs to be incorporated, and then add in your 1/4 cup of chilled condensed milk. And then just mix it again. Fold in the dissolved gelatin into the mixture. Now we're going to divide this into 2 parts. I'd say 5 scoops for each. And then add in your Oreos and just fold it. And then that will go on top of the crust. That's for the bottom layer. Okay, so add in your coffee, your cocoa powder, and give it a mix. Now that's okay, everything is incorporated. Transfer na natin on top of the Oreo mixture. Like this, and then lagyan natin ng cocoa powder on top. That's for the first coating. So before we eat the cake, dapat mag-workout muna tayo. So here, I was working out with Ter, Ju, and Katie. You know, I'm just really so happy we get to do this type of bonding. And just look at them. Look at us. It's so fun working out together. Okay, so I'm gonna talk in a whispery voice. Now let's get the cake. Cut into the cake. Look at that. Okay, I'm gonna close the vlog here. Like I always say, be kind and don't forget to work out. Bye!